CCG Daily News Report. This is a factual summary of the most important crypto, market, and macro news from the past 24 hours. Educational only, not financial advice. Let's begin. Daily News Overview for Friday, the 12th of December, 2025. News flow over the last 24 hours has focused on institutional adoption, tokenization, stablecoin expansion, regulatory actions, and mixed macro signals, while crypto markets remain range-bound. In crypto and industry developments, Li.fi Protocol announced a $29 million Series A extension led by Multicoin and CoinFund, bringing total capital raised to approximately $52 million, supporting its aim of building a universal market for digital assets. Coinbase is expected to announce new features at its December 17th event, including tokenized U.S. equities and prediction markets. Coinbase also launched X402 version 2, upgrading internet-native payments with wallet-based identity, API discovery, and expanded chain support. Standard Chartered and Coinbase confirmed plans to expand crypto prime services for institutions, covering trading, custody, staking, and lending. Tokenization and infrastructure developments remained a key theme. The SEC approved a DTCC pilot allowing tokenized representations of U.S. securities under modified regulatory oversight. SEC Chair Paul Atkins stated that U.S. financial markets are moving on-chain and that the agency is prioritizing innovation. Phantom Wallet launched prediction markets powered by Kalshi, allowing users to trade regulated prediction markets directly within the wallet. Wrapped XRP was announced as tradable on Solana, Ethereum, and other chains, expanding access to DeFi. An XRP ledger upgrade laid groundwork for future lending and tokenization functionality. Stablecoins featured prominently. YouTube confirmed that U.S. creators can now receive payouts in PayPal's PYUSD stablecoin, marking one of its most visible real-world use cases. Industry data showed stablecoins gaining adoption in blockchain gaming as studios tightened spending. UK lawmakers from multiple parties urged pro-innovation stablecoin regulation. Bloomberg reported that Tether is exploring a share sale of up to $20 billion, potentially valuing the company near $500 billion, with tokenized equity or buybacks considered to support investor liquidity. Market flow updates showed caution. On December 11th, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded net outflows of $77.34 million, while spot Ethereum ETFs saw net outflows of $42.37 million. Spot Solana ETFs recorded net inflows of $11.02 million. Bitcoin and Ethereum prices remained largely range-bound following the Federal Reserve rate cut, while altcoins continued to underperform. Reports noted long-term Bitcoin holders accumulating as market liquidity declines ahead of the holiday period. Regulatory and legal updates included the CFTC issuing no-action relief to Polymarket, Predictit, Gemini, and LedgerX, granting conditional exemptions from certain reporting requirements. Duquan was sentenced to 15 years in prison for the Terra Luna collapse, providing legal closure. Florida authorities seized approximately $1.5 million in crypto tied to a fraud case. South Korean police reported that Binance froze only part of stolen Solana funds from an Upbit hack after a delay. Macro developments remained influential. Federal Reserve officials delivered mixed messages on inflation and rates, with some indicating no rate hikes expected next year. The Bank of Japan is reportedly preparing its first rate hike in 11 months. China announced plans for up to $70 billion in semiconductor incentives. Ukraine signaled openness to a demilitarized zone in Donbass as part of peace discussions. In summary, today's news reflects continued progress in crypto infrastructure, tokenization, and stablecoin adoption, while regulatory clarity improves and macro uncertainty persists. Markets remain cautious as participants prioritize structure and liquidity over risk-taking. That concludes today's CCG Daily News Report. Like and subscribe for future updates. Join our free CCG Discord and Telegram trading groups via the links below. Trade safe and stay informed.